So someone said my streaming PC looks like a hot plate stove, bruh. You guys are mean. And the reason this one is stuck on the red color is because I lost the remote control for that one. And I'm trying to sync this PC with that one so that I can use one remote control to change all the RGB. And I need to clean my gaming PC because you can see a lot of fingerprints there. The only thing that I can do so far with this remote control is this. So as you can see, everything is out of sync, but I'm trying to find a way to get both the PC changing colors. Yeah, I'll eventually find out how to do it.